Hey everyone, welcome back to channel today. We're diving into a camera that has the photography world buzzing. And no, it's not just another overpriced upgrade. We're talking about the highly anticipated Canon R6 Mark III, a camera that might just hit the sweet spot for action photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, and hybrid creators alike. Whether you're capturing a cheetah mid-sprint, your hyperactive toddler, or shooting cinematic B-roll for your next YouTube short, this camera could be a total game changer. So let's unpack all the juicy details, rumors, and smart features that could make the R6 Mark III your next favorite gear investment. Let's kick things off with the sensor, because let's be honest, that's the heart of every camera. Rumor has it, the Canon R6 Mark III is getting a 24-megapixel sensor. And while some of you megapixel chasers might be sighing already, hear me out. 2.4MP is actually a really smart choice. It strikes the perfect balance. It gives you excellent detail, manageable file sizes, and stellar low-light performance. Unless you're printing massive billboards or cropping your photos like a caffeine-fueled perfectionist, this resolution is more than enough for just about every creative scenario, from weddings to street shots to everyday content creation. And here's the kicker. The sensor is reportedly derived from Canon's flagship line. That means you're getting pro-level image quality without mortgaging your future. Canon is clearly going for high value, not high drama. Now, for the action shooters, pre-capture mode is where things get exciting. Imagine this, you're waiting for the perfect moment. A bird takes off, a basketball player leaps, or your cat finally does that backflip you've been hoping to catch for months. Boom, you missed it. But wait, not with pre-capture. This clever tech records a few frames before you actually press the shutter. So it's like having a second chance baked right into your camera. It's kind of like time travel for photographers. And in fast-paced, unpredictable environments, this could be your new best friend. Now, let's talk stabilization, because no one wants shaky footage that looks like it was shot during an earthquake. The R6 Mark III is rumored to offer up to 8.5 stops of embodied image stabilization. That's not just good, that's ridiculous. You can shoot handheld in low light, walk and talk vlogs without a gimbal, or grab silky smooth B-roll as you roam the streets or wilderness. No more excuses for shaky shots, unless your hands are made of jello, in which case, maybe still use a tripod. Moving on to burst shooting. We're talking 30 frames per second in RAW with the electronic shutter. That's insanely fast, perfect for sports, wildlife, or any moment where you want to freeze every millisecond. But of course, the performance will also depend on the buffer and memory card speed, so don't expect miracles with your old SD card from 2015. Still, if Canon pairs this with a solid buffer, this camera could become a go-to tool for professionals who need speed and reliability with zero lag. Let's not forget the videographers out there. Canon hasn't left you hanging. Rumors say we'll get 4000 at 1:0 fps and 6K cinema raw light at 3:0 fps using a Super 35 crop. That's pretty serious stuff for a hybrid mirrorless camera. In this price range. Translation: smooth slow motion, rich colors, and editing flexibility that even filmmakers will appreciate. Pair this with Canon's stabilization and autofocus, and you've got a video beast in a compact body. Now, here's where Canon really wins hearts: pricing. It's rumored to launch at $1,499, the same as the R6 Mark II. In today's market, where even entry-level gear seems to require a second mortgage, this pricing strategy is refreshingly reasonable. Canon isn't trying to reinvent the wheel here. They're just making the wheel faster, smarter, and more affordable. For pros and serious hobbyists, this camera offers a compelling bang for your buck. To wrap it up, the Canon R6 Mark III looks like a thoughtfully built upgrade packed with meaningful improvements that modern creators will appreciate, with faster performance, smarter autofocus, better stabilization, and strong video chops. This camera is shaping up to be a true workhorse for 2025. If you're excited to see how it performs in the wild, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with what feature you're most hyped about, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.